Hello, my name is Jennifer Tarango, and today I'm going to share with you 3 ways you can build your know, like, trust factor with your audience so you can boost your sales. Hello, my name is Jennifer Tarango, and I help the underdog in business unlock and manifest the fighting spirit by unapologetically showing up as you. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 ways to increase your know, like, trust factor so you can maximize your sales. Okay, guys, let's dive in. So, the first way that you can maximize your know, like, trust factor is to be consistent. So, show up for your audience. So if you are posting content that your audience loves, but you're posting really sporadically, they never know when they can expect you, they're going to find somebody that is being consistent that they can depend on. Just like you would for a friend, you want to show up for your social media BFFs because those are the people that are going to support you and follow you and eventually buy from you. The second way you can grow your know, like, trust factor with your audience is to talk to one person. So you want to change your language. Instead of saying, hey, everybody, you want to say you, your. So you want to talk to one person. I call my tribe superstars, but when I talk to them, I say, hey, superstar. So you want to talk to one specific person so that people feel like you're talking directly to them. So you want to just edit your language when you're posting your content, whether you're doing a video or you're doing written content, you want to speak to one person. So make sure all your verbiage is speaking to one person. It's also really helpful to know exactly who your target audience is and really focus your content for that specific target audience. The third way that you can increase your know, like, trust factor with your audience is to serve your audience with your content. So we talk about providing value for your audience. So you want to think, what content would be valuable to your audience? What content is going to entertain them? What content is going to inspire them? What content is going to engage them? And what content is going to educate them? Right? So you don't just want to be selling all the time because then you're not giving any value, and the more value that you can give, the better. So I like to say, don't sell often, sell big. Meaning you don't want to be posting about selling your product all the time, but when you do a sale, because you provided so much value for your audience and they like, know, and trust you so much, because you've been pouring into them and serving them and giving them value, that when you do sell, you're going to sell big. So don't sell often, sell big. So those are the 3 ways that I would immediately look at what you're doing right now and tweak anything that you need to tweak in your language, in your content, and in in the way you're showing up, in your consistency. How often are you showing up on your social media platforms that you're trying to build? Make any tweaks you need to now. And then if you're showing up consistently and you are talking to that one person and really making them feel special and serving your audience and giving them valuable content, then this don't sell often, sell big is really going to blow your mind and be so amazing. So tell me one thing in the comments that you can change. Do you need to be more consistent? Do you need to change your verbiage so you're talking to that one person? Or do you think your content needs to shift so that you're providing more value for your audience? Tell me what you plan to tweak below. If you need help with what to post, I do have a free cheat sheet I will link below. It's 20 posts to build community in your Facebook group, and it is an amazing resource that you can use to keep by you so that you get content ideas and you don't have to reinvent the wheel. It'll lay out a lot of different types of posts that you can do and examples and theme days so that you can plan out your content so that you're giving value and serving your audience properly. Okay, guys, if you found value in this video, go ahead and like, share, comment, And if you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure you do that right now, because I will be back here every Thursday giving you more tips and tricks on how to grow your online or network marketing business through social media. Okay, bye.